कविताजितकल्लोली कन्यका कान्तवक्षसे करुणादिगुणाढ्याय कमलानिधये नमः. Divyadesa Vaibhavam. Let's know about Divyadesams based on the Divyadesha Vaibhava Stuti composed by Ashu Kavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami. Today we shall be knowing some interesting facts about the holy kshetram of Shvetadri, Shvetagiri or Tiruvellarai. The place derives its name from the fact that there is a small hillock which is made up of white stones. White in Sanskrit is Shweta and in Tamil is Vellai. Hence the name Shvetadri, Shvetagiri or Tiruvellarai. The Lord at Tiruvellarai is called as Pundarikaksha. Lord Narayana has lotus-like eyes and so is called Pundarikaksha. It is said that he has these lotus eyes in whichever incarnation he takes, be he a fish or a tortoise or a wild boar, he still retains the characteristic of having lotus-like eyes. Here in this kshetra, he bears the name of the lotus-eyed one, Pundarikaksha. Goddess Lakshmi is absolutely befitting the Lord in all ways. In this case, she bears a similar name as the Lord too. Yes, she is called Pankajavalli, the one who resides in the lotus and looks like a lotus creeper. So the lotus-eyed Lord and the lotus residing goddess Pundarikaksha and Pankajavalli give us darshan at Tiruvellarai. The Lord is found facing the east and this kshetram has 7 holy waters or tirthams. They are the Kushatirtham, Shukratirtham, Pushkalatirtham, Padmatirtham, Varahatirtham and Manikarnika Tirtham. Apart from these, there are 3 Pushkaranis too, which are called as Divya Pushkarani, Gandha Pushkarani and Kshirabdi Pushkarani. The Sthala Puranam of this place has it that once upon a time, a king from the Solar dynasty named Shibi, who was known for his bounteousness, came to this place hunting. He was chasing a white boar which suddenly ran into a dense thicket and got lost suddenly. The king realized that the boar seemed to have disappeared into an ant hill that was present in front of him. At this very moment, there was a divine voice which told King Shibi that the Lord himself was present inside the anthill and that he must perform milk ablution to bring the Lord out and build a temple for him there. Sage Markandeya, who was performing penance nearby, also reiterated the command of the divine voice. King Shibi did accordingly and established a beautiful temple for the Lord here. He also got about 3,700 Sri Vaishnava families from the banks of the holy Ganges and made them reside in this place. This is a place which has got the Mangala Shasanam of 2 Alvars, namely Periyalvar and Tirumangayalvar. Periyalvar thinks of the Lord in this kshetra as Lord Krishna himself. Tirumangayalvar resided in this place and built the temple wall of Sri Rangam, also known as Madal. So this celebrated kshetram has many anecdotes associated with it. It also happens to be the birthplace of the famous Acharya Yengal Alvan, and it also finds a mention in the celebrated work of Swami Deshikan called as Hamsa Sandesham. Let us now listen to a verse composed by Ashukavi Sarvabhauma Srinidhi Swami on Thiruvellarai Kshetram. Vedadrishringe Vimalakriti Shri Vimanavarye Kushapadmamulaihi तीर्थैर्वृतः सप्तभिरत्र देवः श्रीपुण्डरीकाक्ष इति प्रसिद्धः.
वेदाद्रिशृङ्गे विमलाकृति श्रीविमलवर्ये कुशपद्ममूलैः तीर्थैर्वृतः सप्तभिरत्र देवा श्रीपुण्डरीकाक्ष इति प्रसिद्धः.